Meaning of District of Columbia.
District of Columbia.
District of Columbia.
District of Columbia.
District of Columbia. The District of Columbia is a federal district in the United States, located between the states of Maryland and Virginia. It serves as the capital of the United States and is not part of any state. The district was originally carved out of land donated by the states of Maryland and Virginia to form the nation's capital, which was officially named after Christopher Columbus. It is commonly referred to as simply D.C. and is home to many federal government agencies and landmarks, such as the White House, the Supreme Court, and the National Mall.